Hello everyone, today in this video we're going to learn how to easily remove Grok watermark from any AI generated image. For example, I often take random images and upscale them using AI, while Grok does an excellent job for upscaling images into high resolution one, but it leaves a watermark behind, and that's the thing where we're gonna play with. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove it quickly using Photopea. It's an online alternative to Photoshop, and that works just as efficiently. Okay, so first open your image using Photopea, and after that you can use several tools, but I prefer Lasso Tool over any other tool just to make the selection. And after that you need to go to the patch tool. You can just switch it, or you can use the patch tool. It's all up to you. Both are gonna make the thing work. Then click and drag the selected area to clean similar part of the image that you want to use as source, and release the mouse. Photopea will intelligently blend it in. Okay, so this is the first method which will work for sure, but yeah, you have to play a little bit with this. Okay, so the second thing that you need to use the content aware fill, recommended for complex areas, because it's gonna take the selection from your nearby environment and gonna fill it. Okay, so first select and then just go to fill and then select content aware and just hit OK. Photopea will automatically fill the area using surrounding pixels, and that will leave such kind of effect. You can later play with this and get your desired natural look. All right, so that's how you can make this work. But if we take for a few more difficult cases where you have to use both of them, so let's take a slightly trickier example. So this image contains the same Grok watermark. So first we're gonna use the content aware to remove the main watermark. Even though it does a decent job, you might notice it's completely okay, but it's gonna leave few more things. So if we use this, you see there are few adjustments that is necessary with the genes. So this time we're gonna use the patch tool, and there you just have to select the imperfect area, and then you need to drag it to the areas you want it to blend with. For example, I'm taking to the upside area and leaving the mouse again, and now it seems perfect to me. So that's it. That this is going to help you by using Photopea, and this method works well and take seconds to get it covered. Okay, so if you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon in case you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching.